Number 4 says describe your method for finding the missing terms. Will the method always work, and how do you know? So here in number 4, let's talk about all 4 methods, starting with method A. Method A always works, and that was where we went and we set up an equation with a missing common difference, and we solved that to find the common difference. Our next method was method B, and we found that that does not always work. Method B was where we found the middle term by taking an average of the y values from the terms that we had. We found in number 3, there should be a 3 in here, that this method didn't always work. Then we'll talk about our third option, letter C. In letter C always worked for us in those top 3. And to do that, we use the slope formula to help us find the common difference. And we've talked about with our graphs of our arithmetic sequences that our slope is the same as our common difference. So using this slope formula, subtracting our y's on the top and our x's on the bottom, helps us find that common difference to fill in those missing terms. And lastly, we had choice D, which was our guess and check method. This message can prove to be a little bit more tedious or harder to do sometimes, which is the guess and check method. It will always work, but if you're not organizing your numbers, then you might be guessing for a long time unless you get lucky and find it right away. My advice would be to focus on either A or C and find one of those that works for you, as A and C will always work.